I saw a wonderful bird show at Falcon Center, Sunkar in Almaty, Kazakhstan. In this show, you can see many species of birds of prey like falcons, eagles, owls, vultures. The birds are displayed very close to the visitors, and each bird is explained in detail. How they hunt, their unique features, and each bird does its own thing. Paul is the main show host and he has a partner, Maria. Paul has an excellent sense of humor and builds good connect with the visitors. He has the ability to understand diverse audience and uses multiple languages. During the show, he handles the bird very clear professionally, interacts with people, answer questions and cracks jokes too. How old?
How old?
Age.
10.
10 months.
Education of the small one is very low. He goes to kindergarten. But this one goes to school. And in school, with this bird come back to us. He is coming and I reward him.
Now how old he is?
Well, 1 year.
1 year.
1 year.
Yeah, that's
So the small one, 10 years.
10
This big one, 1 year.
They have more
Yes,
different
yes.
types.
I hope he will. Do you see these lines and the body is written in Arabic language part of Quran? Somebody read Arabic? I come to you, you will read louder, okay? So do you see these lines?
Yeah.
Somebody has written the text.
Like, hi. How are you?
So buy music.
Orange है
Yes!
Wow.
Aisha, he will catch you next time, okay? Go to college, he is not ready for hunting. But next bird has 3 highest education, doctor, PhD, professor, gold medal Genghis Khan. Welcome! А вы что думали?
One touch first. His name is Karabayir.
Horseback with gold eagle will ride high on the mountain. Why? Because from this high position, they can see everything and gold eagle can speed up very fast. But animals sit in the bush scared, so then I will go in a lot places and I will make noises, okay? And this time it was a wolf. Now please be careful if we take wool from him. He is very angry. Maybe he will attack me, but I hope he will attack you.
It's so cute.
Do you see this bone? You see this last time. Make video, otherwise nobody will believe you what happened next. Camera?
It's so friend. Male, female नहीं है. हाँ हो सकता है.
Ты тоже не хочешь?
Very big. Oh my god. A girl.
Your name is Deep Throat. He is coming behind you. Look, look, coming.
Hi, so cute.
He was sitting on this mountain. And we call him manager because he has office on the balcony. Now he is going to balcony. Local manager, please.
Crying. Again is going,
He's sitting at balcony.
so cute. They are cute.